am checking on the little baby birds. The mommy bird has been going back and forth feeding them. You can see they're wide awake right now. They're looking at us. And yesterday I went outside and sat quite far away from them and used binoculars to watch because I wanted to make sure the mommy bird was feeding them. And I found out that the mommy is a wren. So these are little baby wrens. And let's go check out the eggs in the other one. And there are the 5 eggs, and those eggs are also from a wren. And I'm not going to keep this too long because I know the mommies have been going back and forth. They've been very, very busy.